are going to continue to learn to identify the different sounds that we hear in words. So all we have to do, guys, is to listen. What are the sounds you hear in bet? B, e, t. What are the sounds you hear in get? G, e, t. What are the sounds you hear in jet? J, e, t. What are the sounds you hear in let? L, e, t. What are the sounds you hear in met? M, e, t. What are the sounds you hear in net? N, e, t. What are the sounds you hear in pet? P, e, t. What are the sounds you hear in set? S, e, t. What are the sounds you hear in vet? V, e, t. What are the sounds you hear in wet? W, e, t. What are the sounds you hear in yet? Y, e, t. What are the sounds you hear in ben? B, e, n. What are the sounds you hear in den? D, e, n. What are the sounds you hear in hen? H, e, n. What are the sounds you hear in gen? J, e, n. What are the sounds you hear in ken? K, e, n. What are the sounds you hear in men? M, e, n. What are the sounds you hear in pen? P, e, n. What are the sounds you hear in ten? T, e, n. What are the sounds you hear in ven? V, e, n. Good job. What are the sounds you hear in bed? B, e, d. What are the sounds you hear in fed? F, e, d. What are the sounds you hear in lead? L, e, d. What are the sounds you hear in ned? N, e, d. What are the sounds you hear in red? R, e, d. What are the sounds you hear in Ted? T, e, d. What are the sounds you hear in wed? W, e, d. Good job. What are the sounds you hear in beg? B, e, g. What are the sounds you hear in leg? L, e, g. What are the sounds you hear in meg? M, e, g. What are the sounds you hear in peg? P, e, g. Wow, give yourselves a big round of applause, children. You are doing great. All I need you to do is to keep practicing. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.